Hi, my name is Njeri from Vive Enterprises, which is your #1 home of projects. And I'm encouraging you to watch this video until the very end because it will help you make a decision of whether you need to buy a home in Kenya or build it up. Imagine this, you have saved for years and now you're ready to own your dream home in Kenya. But a big question looms. Should you build from the ground up or should you buy a ready-made one? The answer might surprise you. I have seen countless Kenyans grapple with this decision. It's a tough one, filled with uncertainties about cost, time, and stress. Let's dive into the pros and cons of both options. Buying a ready-built home offers instant gratification. No construction delays, no contractor headaches. But there's a catch. These homes often come with a premium price tag. We will uncover the hidden cost later. Building your own home gives you complete control over the design and layout. While it's a journey, it can be surprisingly cost-effective. Let's break down how. Let's compare the numbers. In Kiambu, building a custom home might cost around 10 to 15 million Kenya shillings, while buying a similar-sized ready-built one could be closer to 15 to 20 million Kenya shillings. However, factors like location and quality of materials can significantly impact these figures. Remember, there are hidden costs on both sides. Buying a home might require renovations or repairs, while building involves unexpected expenses like permit fees and material markups. To wrap up, the best choice depends on your unique needs and priorities. Consider your budget, timeline, and the desired level of environment. Both options have their advantages. Whether you're leaning towards building or buying, Vive Enterprises can guide you through the process. We offer expert construction management services to ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. Subscribe for more ownership tips and insights.